Hey Polish Fiends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you could tell by the title, I have another haul to share with you, but this time it's a little bit different in that I got supplies so I could do my own at-home pedicures. I have an ingrown toenail at the moment and it is absolutely bugging me, and after checking out the surgery for the ingrown toenail, I am a total wimp and I've decided that I'm just going to do it myself. So if you would like to see a closer look at everything I got, then just keep on watching. So guys, moving right on with this haul, and please excuse this first part of the video, I had to film it by hand because the box was absolutely massive. So I went ahead and picked myself up a foot spa, and I got one that had like the pedicure bit that I could put my foot on it and things like that, so something where I could basically do a full pedicure. And in it you basically get the spa bath with a foot massager, a pumice stone, and little those little jelly things that cause the bubbles, and then you also get a pedicure kit. So in your pedicure kit you get the pumice stone which sits on the little pedicure stand. You also get a brush, scissors, toe separators, some cuticle sticks and a cuticle remover. So if you are a beginner, it has everything you need. So the next thing I picked up was a wax heater, and I got this specifically for my Grinch toe. I am not even kidding when I tell you, one big toe on one of my feet just seems to like grow hair like no other business. I could probably grow hair on my toe better than my other half can on his chest, so that's saying something. So I went ahead and picked up this wax heater by Mylee. I got mine's on, I'm pretty sure it was Amazon, but I will leave the exact links to where I picked it up down below. It cost $15.99, and like I say, I'm only using it for pedicures, and I think it's the perfect size that I could pack away no issues whatsoever. So I didn't need a big huge one or a really fancy one. I just wanted something that would easily melt the wax and that I could fit in my tight space. So to go with the wax heater, I went ahead and got this warm wax accessory pack. I picked mine up from Galaxy Nails, and it's by the brand Hive, and in it you get basically everything you need for pre-waxing, post-waxing and cleaning up your waxing tools. So inside the box you get a 400ml bottle of wax cleaner. You then get another 400 bottle of pre-cleansing wax spray, and then you, as it's rolling away, then you also get a bottle of wax treatment. So after you finish your waxing, you would go ahead and use that. I also would really like to use aloe vera as well, but I thought since you had everything in this kit, it would be great. So you also get some warm honey wax, 100 disposable waxing spatulas, and you also get 100 wax strips. So the next thing I went ahead and grabbed was a Kaeso Pedicure Pack, and in this you have everything you need to give yourself an at-home pedicure. So the first item you get is a tea tree and ginger breeze invigorating foot spray, and this one is 195ml and comes in a spray bottle. You then get another spray bottle, and this one is Mandarin Spritz Hygiene Spray, and again this one is 195ml. And then the last bottle type thing you get is mango and citrus squeeze foot soak, and again 195ml, and this one has like a squeezy tube. Then you get a lime and ginger tingle foot exfoliator, and this one is 250ml. And then you get a peppermint and blueberry twist foot mask, and you also get a mandarin and mint yogurt foot cream. And for this whole pack it was $17.49. And then I went ahead and grabbed myself some tools to specifically look after an ingrown toenail. So the first item I got was by the brand YNR Nails. I absolutely love this brand. Their instruments are amazing quality. So I got myself this diamond foot file, and this is specifically for thick toenails. So I thought it would help with my big toe, which I'm not even kidding guys, it is like, has a total mind of its own. So you also get these sort of like thick toenail clippers, and I got this again specifically for my big toe. I don't know what's going on with that thing, but it needs some major help, so I thought this little kit would be handy. And again, it probably cost about £5, but I will leave the exact price down below. Next, I went ahead and grabbed this little weird device-like thing for an ingrown toenail so I could go ahead and be able to trim it properly and get any of the dead skin from underneath it, because surprisingly it has lots of hard skin around it, so I really wanted something that would help me get underneath that toe without hurting myself. So next up, I went ahead and grabbed some stork scissors, also by the brand YNR, and these ones are super cool in black and gold, and I got these because I wanted ones that were different from the scissors I use for my nails and also my eyebrows, so I'm not cross-contaminating anything. And then I got some more cuticle nippers for that exact same reason, and some toe cutters in sort of like this mixed rainbow colour, which I absolutely love. And the last and final instrument type product that I picked up for my toes was a toe lifter and a toe file kit, and this is going to help me lift up the toe and file the ingrown toenail. So guys, that's us finally reached the end of today's video, and I know this one was super quick compared to my usual hauls, but I just wanted to show you guys what I had got, because if you would like to see me do my at-home pedicure and also look after my ingrown toenail, definitely let me know, and that is something that I could share with you, because let's face it, we all have toes, none of them are pretty, and they all have issues. So if you would like to see how I look after my ingrown toenail at home, then definitely let me know down below, and that's something that I could sort out for you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie, I am a complete nail polish addict, and on this channel you will find everything from nail art to swatches, reviews and the occasional haul. So if that's something that piques your interest, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!